Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Moomoo. Right now, you can earn an 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash by using my link in the description below. You could also earn up to 30 free stocks right now. Keep in mind, terms and conditions do apply. So go ahead and check out Moomoo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. So I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. Now let's get right into today's video. So today I have some pretty exciting news for Robinhood users. So Robinhood just launched a new feature called Prediction Markets, which basically will allow users to trade on the outcome of some of the world's biggest events. So I don't know if you guys remember, but back when the presidential election was taking place, they did something very similar. I actually covered that in a video. And so now they're doing it for the college basketball championship, as well as another event that I will get to here. Now let's actually first take a look here at Robinhood's official announcement. So as you can see, this is from today on Twitter, so March 17th. As you can see, Robinhood announced that starting today, you can now trade contracts on the men's and women's college basketball tournaments. And so if we go ahead and click on this link right here, it will take us to this page right here. So trade contracts for every matchup plus the championships available across the US. So if we actually scroll down here, they actually have this pretty cool video here that actually shows you in real time what this feature looks like. And something I want to make very clear here that's very important to understand is that this feature is currently only available on the mobile app. If you actually try to access it in the desktop app, you'll actually see that it doesn't work. So if I type basketball, you'll see that there are some quick links here. For example, men's college basketball tournament. If I click on it, this will show up here. So event contracts aren't available on web. Head to the app for all things event contracts. So you do need to be on the mobile app to use this feature here. Now let's go back here. Now, what I want to take a look at here next is where do you find this feature on the mobile app? Because I saw a lot of people asking, especially in that Twitter post by Robinhood, asking where do you find this in the app? So let me actually show you this here next. So when you go on the mobile app, you land on what I call the home page, the main page. If you scroll down a little bit in that main page, you should see a new section that says Prediction Market. So you should see something like this right here. If you don't see it, I suggest updating your mobile app to the latest and then check if you see it. But once you see this section right here, you can click on Prediction Markets at the top and you should see something then that looks like this. So here we can see all the different things that are in this Prediction Markets feature. So we already mentioned basketball. So men's college basketball tournament, women's college basketball tournament, men's college basketball final, women's college basketball final. This is under sports. They also have an economic section here. There's one thing under this section, Fed funds rate in May. So for this, you can go in and this will allow you to predict what the upper bound of the target Fed funds range will be in May of 2025. So you can also predict on that as well. But let's take a look at an example of one of these contracts here. So how does this work? So here's actually one contract here that I actually just recently took a screenshot of like a few minutes ago. So this is Michigan versus UC San Diego. So here you are basically deciding if you think Michigan or UC San Diego will reach the round of 32 in the men's college basketball tournament. And so as you can see here, right in the middle, you get two different prices. So on the left, it says 60 cents. On the right, it says 44 cents. So the price in cents here tells you how much you're going to pay per contract, depending on what you select here. Keep in mind, there are fees associated with this. So if we actually go back here very quickly and scroll down, are there any fees? So Robinhood charges a 1 cent commission per contract per side. The exchange that executes your orders may charge a fee as well. So keep in mind, there are fees as well here when you are using this new feature. But like I mentioned, price and cents here will tell you how much you're going to pay per contract depending on what you select. But the price in cents also represents the approximate probability that the event will occur according to the market. So right here, you can also think of it as, according to the market, there's a 60% chance Michigan will advance. Here, there's a 44% chance that UC San Diego will advance. That's how you can read this as well here. And so the numbers underneath each side here, so the 1798 and the 940 here, these numbers represent the open interest. So in other words, the number of open contracts people are holding for that yes contract. And so again, if we read down here, will Michigan or San Diego reach the round of 32 in the men's college basketball tournament? So you're going to get $1 for every contract you own if your prediction is correct. Or keep in mind, you can also close your position before the event resolves. So in other words, you can close out at any time before each matchup ends. But the way this will work is, let's say I bought one contract here, 60 cents. If I am correct, then at the end, I'm going to get $1. So I paid 60 cents, but I'm going to get $1. So I basically made 40 cents. Now, let's say I'm wrong in my prediction. Then if I pay 60 cents and I'm wrong, then I just lose all of that. So you're going to get $1 for every contract you own if your prediction is correct. You're going to get $0 for every contract you own if your prediction is incorrect. And of course, this is changing, continuously up until the matchup ends. And that's why you can also close at any time before each matchup ends. So let me know what you guys think about this new feature. Are you excited to use it? Do you think it's not a great feature? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Check out the Discord, a link to it in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Now I will see you guys next time.